Hi guys, thanks for watching this week's video. This Monday morning we're off to a job in Potter's Bar, so very local for us. We've got 3 jobs on today, so all vehicles are out, so I'm actually in the smart car with the tools loaded up in the back. I'm meeting the boys at the job to get this all sorted, so stay tuned. So we just got to the job in Potter's Bar. As you can see, the customer had PVC tiles laid already, but these are a lot thinner. We often get asked about cheaper tiles online. This is what happens when you buy cheap, you end up buying them twice. These are a lot thinner. He's had fluids and stuff coming through and struggled to get them sitting flat. So this is the tiles that have been ripped out of this garage. They look very similar if you just looked at a picture online, but they have very flimsy joints that you can move around quite easily, so he's had problems with them not sitting flat. So we'll now be replacing this with our premium product. To the team here now, making good progress. We'll get this one finished up so we can all get over to Hartford for the last job. So that's coming along nicely, last few bits, and then we'll give it a good clean up. That's the Potter's Bar garage all done. You would have just seen the videos of the finished product in our black and graphite tiles, so that's all sorted. I'm now going to head back over to the showroom. I've got a few meetings on Zoom this afternoon and a few quotes to do, and the guys are off to Hartford and they're going to complete a showroom for a new supercar sales company over there, so that should be cool. But yeah, we'll show you some more content of the garages we're doing this week. Hi guys, it's Tuesday morning, just at the office. Just got to get a few bits done and then I'll be heading over to meet the guys at another local VIP job, so keep watching. Guys are all finished, so this is Scott Mill's new garage. We've put PVC floors, skirting and storage cabinets to smarten it up. It's just getting a little bit dark, so the aftershots aren't as good as we wanted, but the team were a bit slow on this one, so yeah, apologies for that. Hi guys, just wanted to show you something that's just turned up. This is a sample of a neon sign we're going to be doing. So we're going to be able to make these in any logos, any text, because they're really cool in the garages. So this one's printed, and then the garage style text is made out of neon, so keep watching, we've got plenty more of these to come.
Hi guys, it's James here from Garage Style. It's Thursday, we just got to our next job. This one is having a black and graphite checkered floor, skirting, doormat and also a logo, and then we're doing some of our CD cabinets along the back, so stay tuned. Hi guys, James from Garage Style. We're all finished now. As you can see, it's our black and graphite flooring with one of our logos in and the ceiling cabinets, as well as the anthracite skirting and also one of our custom doormats as well.
Hi guys, it's Friday, busy one today. The installation team have gone off to do 2 garages, so they've got a lot on today. Me and James have just been over to see our new unit, so that's exciting. It's now all been finalised. We should be in there now hopefully about 4 to 6 weeks, so not too long to go. Got some big plans. There's going to be a big showroom area, more office space, so that's going to be cool. Can't wait to show everyone the updates there. We'll be filming a lot of it. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching this week's video. It's been a busy one, so we haven't filmed as much as we would have liked to, but we've got a big week next week, some wicked installations, so make sure you subscribe, leave us a comment and look out for next week's video. Thanks guys.